Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going through the writing a recursion code for solving the palindrome problem. A palindrome is a string that reads the same from forward and backwards. It means that the first and the last characters of this string are the same. So if we wanted to think recursively about solving this problem, we can remove the first and the last characters and apply the same rules. And if we do this recursively, at the end we end up with a string of length 0 or 1, or in the case that we have a mismatch between first and the last characters. And based on that, we can write our code in a recursive way. Let's think about the base cases first. So as we can see in these examples, we have three base cases. We have an empty string, obviously it is a palindrome. If we have a single character, it is a palindrome 2 because it is the same from forward and backward. And if the outer characters don't match, we can make a decision that the string is not palindrome. Outer characters, it means the first and the last character. And we can apply this recursively by removing the first and the last characters. So let's write down our code. At first, we start by writing the function signature and function dot. So let's write down the base cases first. So if the length of the strings is less than 1, it means it is an empty or one character string. In this case, we need to return true. And if the outer characters don't match, the string is not palindrome and we return false. Otherwise, we need to apply this recursively by calling isPal function, but we need to remove the first and the last characters from string s, and we are doing this using the slicing operators by passing 1 and minus 1 as a range of characters that we wanted to exclude from s. And we just apply the rules again, so therefore we just return the result of isPal. Let's see this code in a visualizer. So I put the code in here, and we have two base cases. One, the first string, which is a palindrome, and another one which is not. So if we go through the visualizer, the first stack frame is for function definition. Then we're gonna call this function with ABBA as a string s. So we go through the base cases first. The string has length is 4. Then we're gonna check the outer strings. In this case, they are equal, both A. Then we call this with excluding the first and the last characters. It means we are calling it with BB string. And we're gonna go through the base cases. Again, the first and the last are the same in this case. Therefore, we call it with empty string, and the empty string is our base case. Therefore, we're gonna return true, and gonna return true again. And we are going back to first stack frame, and again we return true. Then we're gonna start calling for the ABBAS case. In this case, when we compare the outer characters, A and S are not equal, therefore we return false and our function performed correctly. Thank you for watching this video.